My name is Shadeko Wizzard. I play the right back position for Arnett Gardens. I am 18 years old and I wear the number 27. You know, with this being my first season, I am grateful for the opportunities that I have got to showcase my talent this season. My best game would be first leg of the Portmore game. You know, I was a bit nervous at the start of the game, but as the game proceeded, I became more confident, you know, putting out a good performance, you know, for the fans and for my team. So, yeah. You know, this Cavaliers team is a very young team. They also have a history of doing well. You know, this first game will be a very tactical one, you know, very energetic. We will just go out there and do our best as a unit, you know, for the fans. I just want to thank the Arnett Gardens fans for coming out and support, you know, throughout the season. You know, just come out early and support as always. Go Arnett Gardens!